Silver prices have crashed again. Silver prices on the multi-commodity exchange of India right now trading at 2,41,000 rupees per kilogram. That's a drop of almost 27,000 rupees per kilogram in a single day. Silver prices have actually crashed sharply on MCX following a global price collapse as well. International silver prices have also dropped below $75 per ounce. Remember, gold prices are also trading lower, although the losses are limited here. Gold prices are now trading at 1.5 lakh rupees per 10 grams, down about 2,500 rupees per 10 grams as well. But these are sharp swings, and these have created panic among traders and investors worldwide, leading to heavy selling pressure across markets on both gold and silver. Why are gold and silver prices crashing again? Well, there are a couple of reasons. Number one reason is that the dollar is strengthening and is now trading near two-week high. Whenever the dollar becomes expensive or inches up, it becomes more expensive for investors to buy gold and silver, and therefore the demand drops, and that's why there is a reason of the crash there. The second reason is the easing signs of the US-China trade tensions that have again added pressure onto the precious metals. China is now considering buying more US farmed soybeans as well. US President Donald Trump has said, after what he has called very positive talks with his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping on Wednesday itself. There is the third reason that geopolitical tensions also seem to be easing, reducing safe haven appeal for gold and silver right now. Iran and the United States of America have both agreed to hold some talks in Oman on Friday, and that's another reason there is some kind of a sense that geopolitical tensions will ease, and therefore there is again a demand drop on gold and silver. Due to the sharp fall in silver prices, we have also seen an impact on silver exchange traded funds and gold exchange traded funds, or ETFs as well. Silver ETFs have already sunk by about 15%. Gold ETFs are down by about 3% due to this global correction. Now, when we look at gross silver ETF, it was trading around 10.6% lower at 241 rupees per unit. It has actually hit a today's low of 228 rupees per unit intraday as well. This is after having posted gains for the last two consecutive sessions that gold and silver prices have reversed sharply. So what should you be doing in this kind of wild swing that you are seeing in gold and silver prices? Most of the experts believe that do not enter into this volatile market. Just watch out for stability to come in.